In 2025, the drone world is about to get split right down the middle, and DJI is holding the axe. This isn't just about a new drone, it's about a choice you're going to have to make. On one side, we have what might be the most credibly leaked drone in years, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. We're talking about a machine that, according to a flood of rumors and photos, promises to cram a massive 1-inch sensor and pro-level tech into a body that still weighs less than a can of soup. This is the revolution we can almost touch. On the other side, a ghost, a phantom, a drone the community has been whispering about, a concept we're calling the DJI Neo 2. This represents a totally different dream, the ultimate, ultra-light, ultra-simple flying camera for absolutely everyone. While there has been some chatter and even an FCC filing that points to a new Neo drone, the wild specs being thrown around are pure speculation. One is a reality backed by a mountain of evidence, the other is a glimpse into what we wish existed. Today, we're putting the reality of the leaks up against the dream of what could be, to see which drone will be the undisputed king of 2025. The tale of the tape reality versus the dream. Before we dive into the specs, we have to talk about where this information is coming from, because these two drones are not on equal footing. The story of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is being written in broad daylight. We've seen a flood of high-resolution, close-up photos from trusted industry leakers. We've seen what looks like the final retail packaging. The specs that have emerged are incredibly consistent across multiple reports, painting a crystal-clear picture of what's coming. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's practically a pre-release announcement delivered by the rumor mill. Then there's the DJI Neo 2. Its story is told in whispers and wishlists. While an FCC filing in July 2025 confirmed a product with this name is certified for sale in the US, that's where the hard evidence stops. Beyond that, the leaks are a whirlwind of conflicting rumors and community hopes. So as we compare these two, remember the difference: the Mini 5 Pro is the drone we have every reason to believe is coming. The Neo 2 is the drone we hope is coming, built from a foundation of rumor and speculation. Camera is king, the ultimate showdown. Let's start with the heart of any creator drone, the camera. This is where the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. For years, the holy grail for compact drones has been squeezing a 1-inch sensor into a sub-250-gram body, and the leaks say DJI has finally cracked the code. We're talking about a 1-inch CMOS sensor, reportedly paired with a blazing fast f1.8 aperture. That kind of sensor used to be exclusive to heavy hitters like the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, it's rumored to be in a drone you can fit in your jacket pocket. This means a colossal leap in image quality, especially in low light, giving you clean, crisp shots at dawn and dusk. It means more dynamic range and that beautiful, soft background blur that makes footage look professional. But the leaks suggest they didn't stop there. Reports point to 4,000 video at a stunning 120 frames per second, giving you incredible flexibility for buttery smooth slow motion. Add in a high-quality 48mm medium telephoto mode for getting tighter shots without losing quality, and a gimbal capable of rotating up to 225 degrees or more for true vertical shooting. And you have a content creation powerhouse. Now, let's turn to the dream of the DJI Neo 2. The camera is where speculation runs wild. Some of the more out there ideas from the community include a 1-inch sensor or even a dual camera setup for VR content. However, a more realistic line of thinking suggests DJI might stick with a smaller, but still very capable, 1.3-inch sensor, similar to the Mini 4 Pro. That single choice would define the drone's purpose. A big sensor would make it a surprise powerhouse, but a smaller one would help hit a super affordable price point, making it the undisputed king of entry-level quality, a massive step up from a smartphone without the Pro price tag. Size, weight and regulations, the sub-250-gram war for a modern drone pilot. That 250-gram line is everything. It's the difference between freedom and paperwork, and this is where both drones are set to dominate, but in very different ways. The biggest story for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is that despite packing in a 1-inch sensor and advanced tech, leaked photos clearly show a CO classification sticker on its body. This is the visual confirmation that it will almost certainly weigh under 249 grams. That's a monumental feat of engineering. It means that in many countries, You could fly this professional-level camera without needing to register it or deal with stricter rules. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just a powerful drone, it's a powerful drone that plays the regulation game better than any other. The DJI Neo 2, on the other hand, is born from this weight class. Its entire philosophy is about being as light and unobtrusive as possible. The dream for a Neo 2 would be to push this even further, with some speculating about a final weight around 135 grams. Its design would reflect that focus. Where the Mini 5 Pro has a sleek, performance look, a future Neo would likely keep its signature fully encased propellers. This makes it incredibly safe to fly indoors and to hand launch or land, a feature that beginners and vloggers absolutely love. The Neo isn't trying to be a high-performance aircraft, it's designed to be an approachable, flying camera that feels as safe and simple as your phone. Flight performance and smarts brains versus brawn. A great camera is useless if the drone can't get the shot, and this is where the Pro in Mini 5 Pro truly earns its name. Leaks suggest it will be the first ever sub-250-gram drone to feature LiDAR-based, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. By combining forward-facing LiDAR with infrared sensors on all sides, it can create a true 360-degree safety bubble, allowing it to navigate tricky spots like dense forests or tight city streets. This brainpower would also supercharge its smart features, like active VETRAC, for following subjects with more precision than ever. On top of the brains, it has the brawn. Rumors suggest it will use DJI's latest 04 Plus transmission system, potentially giving it a max range of up to 20 kilometers or more, which is frankly absurd for a drone this size. Leaks also point to a solid 36-minute battery life, with the potential for a Plus battery to push that closer to 45 minutes. And in a huge win for existing users, leaks strongly suggest it will be compatible with the same batteries as the Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro, which is fantastic news for anyone looking to upgrade. The DJI Neo 2 would be playing a different game entirely. It wouldn't have the Mini 5 Pro's advanced LiDAR system. Instead, it would likely feature basic forward and downward-facing sensors, just enough to keep it from flying into a wall or the ground. Its safety comes from its design, those prop guards, and its lightweight mean a collision is far less of a big deal. Its flight time is also expected to be more modest. An FCC filing hints at a 10% battery capacity increase over the original, which would likely put its flight time in the 22 to 25-minute range, a respectable trade-off to keep it light and affordable. The Neo isn't for long-range missions, it's for pulling out of your pocket, getting that amazing shot for your vlog, and landing it back in your palm. The final verdict: who is it for? So, after breaking down the reality and the dream, who are these drones actually for? The battle lines are drawn pretty clearly. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is, without a doubt, for the prosumer. It's for the content creator, the serious photographer, and the advanced hobbyist who needs the absolute best image quality and smartest flight features you can get while staying under that 250-gram regulatory ceiling. It's for the person who understands what a 1-inch sensor and 4K 120 FPS means for their work and is willing to pay for that power. The DJI Neo 2, if it ever materializes as the drone we hope it will, is for everyone else. It's for the true beginner who's intimidated by complex controls. It's for the family that wants to capture their vacation in a cool new way. It's for the TikTok creator or Instagram vlogger who needs a reliable, safe, and ultra-portable camera that delivers footage miles ahead of a smartphone. The Neo's success wouldn't be measured in megapixels or range, but in how easy and affordable it is. So there you have it. The tale of two drones set to define 2025. One is the powerhouse we're pretty sure is coming, the Mini 5 Pro, which is shaping up to be the most versatile compact drone ever made. The other is the people's champion, the dream of the Neo 2, which could redefine what an entry-level drone can be. But that's my breakdown. Now I want to hear from you. Which drone are you saving up for? Are you holding out for the powerhouse performance of the Mini 5 Pro, or are you more excited about the potential of an ultra-accessible Neo 2? Let me know which one you think will rule the skies in the comments below. And, of course, if you want to see a full, hands-on review of these machines the second they're officially released, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss it.